Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how to fix Amazon Flex app not loading. So first thing first, if you are facing the problem of your application not loading, make sure that you first check your internet connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, switch it to mobile data or use secondary Wi-Fi. Second, head over to your Play Store, search for Amazon Flex and update it. In my case, as you can see, this app is not available. Let's say what it will look like if it were available. I'm going to give an example of Facebook. So if you see open on your app, this means it is already updated. If you see update, select update and update your app. Thirdly, head over to settings, scroll below and select apps. From here, search for your Amazon Flex application. Select this bar icon here and simply type in Amazon Flex. Open it. For example, if this is your Amazon Flex, select storage, clear the cache. If you remember the credentials, select clear data as well. Come back onto App Info page, select Force Stop and then OK. Now lastly, restart your device and then open your Amazon Flex app and this will work.